Salve galera, antes de começar esse vídeo eu quero te convidar a conhecer o nosso e-shop online infotecstudios.net. Galera, esse é nosso site de venda de eletrônicos e produtos, né, equipamentos gamer. Se você procura preço baixo e frete grátis para todo o Brasil, tá aí nosso site, vale a pena dar uma conferida e você compra pagando barato e ainda ajuda o canal, beleza? E só lembrando pra galera que estiver chegando agora e tiver muita dúvida ainda sobre o desbloqueio do Play 3, do Play 4, tiver muita pergunta aí que você não acha no vídeo e tá perdido, galera, eu tenho um grupo exclusivo de membros no WhatsApp para tirar dúvida. Para participar dele é muito fácil, basta contribuir com R$5 clicando no botão abaixo para ser membro. Hoje o grupo já conta com 99 participantes, estou com o grupo aberto aqui. É muita mensagem, é muita dúvida, é galera se conhecendo e tal, é bem bacana, galera. Eu convido você a participar do nosso grupo de membros. Depois que você se tornar membro do canal, basta clicar aqui na comunidade que você vai achar uma postagem exclusiva para membro com um link direto para você participar do nosso grupo do WhatsApp. Demorou? Então solta a vinheta.
I shall do it. You keep pushing, we'll see who ends up bleeding. You'll bleed for this. Tell her! It shall be done. Light, little thing. Get out! Quickly, we must fight for this.
Darling, I heard fighting outside and I feared the worst. Are you hurt? Her scream woke me up. There were men in the hall, so I barred the door. Did you see their shields? Those are Howe's men. Why would they attack us? You don't think Howe's men were delayed? On purpose? That bastard. I'll cut his lying throat myself. Have you seen your father? He never came to bed. We must find him. I most certainly will not. I am no Orlesian wallflower. Give me a sword and I'll use it. Now let's go.
We must not exhaust our supplies. I'm gonna rip you a new one. Don't drop things. As you say, best be wary. Don't bleed for this. Very well. Take that!
That was unexpected. But one must keep a still heart even in the most trying of circumstances. It was an excellent test, one I chose to let unfold. Which brings us to your next trial. Now, Terra and Aqua, the two of you will face each other in combat. Remember, there are no winners, only truths. For when equal powers clash, their nature is revealed. Begin!
Guess that makes us even now. I thought maybe I could shut down the security mechs, but whoever did this fried the whole system. Completely irreversible.
We didn't ask what you were doing. Why do you even have security mech clearance? You were in the bio wing.
Weren't you listening? I came here to try and fix this. Besides, I was shot. How do you explain that?
I don't care who set up who. Those mechs are shooting at all of us. We'll sort it out later.
We need to find Miranda first. We can't just leave her behind.
Forget about Miranda. She was over in D-Wing. The mechs were all over that sector. There's no way she survived.
A bunch of mechs won't drop Miranda. She's alive.
Then where is she? Why haven't we heard from her? There are only two possible explanations. She's either dead, or she's a traitor.
If Miranda's dead, there's nothing we can do. We have to save our own asses right now.
The shuttle bay is only a few. We can overload the canisters to clear a path to the shuttles.
Next, don't know when to quit.
That's it. Let's get out of here.
Okay, we took him down, but this is getting tense. Shepard, if I tell you who we work for, will you trust me?
This really isn't the time, Jacob.
We won't make it if he's expecting a shot in the back.
If you want to piss off the boss, it's your ass, Jacob.
The Lazarus Project.
But you'd better take it just in case. Okay, I'll try to meet you at the exit. Watch out for security. Good luck! I'll meet you at the vault door if I can, but don't wait for me.
There he is. Hold it right there.
Look out!
You gotta help me! My mom's trapped in there with the rat roaches! No, I can't go back in there. It's dark, and there's rat roaches. No, I mean, it's not the dark. It's the rat roaches. I can't stand them. I tried to get back in to get her. I really did. But I couldn't. You gotta help me. She's not gonna last much longer in there.
We need to find a way out of here.
You fellows happened along just in time.
What?
These boys.
We need to find a way out of here.
How I've been entertaining their comrades.
Don't you even know what's going on? A dragon is attacking Helgen.
A dragon, please. Don't make up nonsense. Although, come to think of it, I did hear some odd noises coming from over there.
Where in Oblivion are we supposed to go?
Where's the way out?
Be there, stubborn guys!